Hi, and welcome to 10041 Ives Lane North in Maple Grove's Elm Creek Park Reserve neighborhood. Just 2 blocks either direction to walking entrances into the park, and behind us is a driving entrance just 2 blocks away. First thing you'll notice is a nice curb appeal and a wide concrete driveway. And then entering in through the large foyer gives plenty of room for your guests or you to take off your shoes and coats. This is the ground floor, and now we'll walk up to the main floor. Main floor, we have a living room with a bay window, and then walking into the kitchen and adjacent dining area. This is a spacious cook's kitchen with plentiful counter space and lots of cabinet space for storing all of your cooking, baking, and entertaining needs. The three-season porch looks out on the Elm Creek Park Reserve. And the west, you'll enjoy with the west-facing porch, spectacular sunsets and plentiful wildlife viewing. Or open the doors, patio doors, and open the windows and just relax. Stairs down to the patio, and there's the walkout. Now we'll walk down to the ground floor and the ground floor family room. Full brick wood burning fireplace. And this is the walkout to the patio in the backyard. Rounding out the ground floor, there's a 3/4 bathroom and a mudroom with a laundry off of the garage. So full laundry with a deep sink off of the garage. And a spacious 2-car garage with storage space on both sides and in the front of the garage. Now we'll walk back through the foyer and up to the upstairs where we have 3 bedrooms on the upper level. So first we'll take a look in the tiled full bathroom. And then leaving the bathroom, we'll walk through the 3 bedrooms. So 3 bedrooms upstairs, a lot of flexibility here, whether it's office, exercise room, kids' rooms, but 3 bedrooms upstairs gives you many options and lots of flexibility. Say hello to Sammy, the cat. Yeah, very bright interior in this home too, as you can see. And the 3rd bedroom upstairs. Two of the bedrooms up here have laminate floors. And now we'll go down to the bonus 4th level. You can't have too much storage in a house, and the bonus 4th level gives you an unbeatable amount of storage, plus an office or guest room. So first we'll see the storage area. So utilities, furnace, water heater, storage. And then there's the guest room or office. Could be a bedroom with the addition of an egress window. So you've seen 3 bedrooms plus the office, 2 bathrooms, living room, family room, porch, and a large kitchen. Now we'll look outside. Full steel exterior, steel and brick, with maintenance-free soffits, full gutters all the way around, and window wrap. So the exterior is maintenance-free, and a lot of serenity here with the park reserve as your backyard neighbor. Um, Very relaxing, level, usable yard. And you can hear the birds chirping and the ducks in the pond in the back. So there's the porch with a side deck, maybe a place for the barbecue out there, and then stairs down to the patio that walks out from the family room. Wood burning fireplace, and you can see the vent feature on the bottom for drawing in air. A full brick fireplace on the outside too. So there you have it, 10041 Ives Lane North in Maple Grove. Thanks for watching, and make this your next home.